We're heading to sushi making class. This is our final day here in Osaka. We're going to the Downtown-bori area. They're going to teach us for like 3 hours how to make sushi. Right?
Yes.
All right. See you there.
No. You can leave the sauce there. And choose your size. Medium, large, small.
Maybe small, actually.
Yes. Right.
You're probably large.
Large one. So
Two.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Wow, this is nice. Very nice.
Before cooking, you wash your hands. Love seaweed very much. Okay, and actually, originally this size seaweed, we call this kombu kelp. Okay, kombu.
All right, making Japanese egg roll. Tablespoon.
Bob's turn. Half of it.
You can start rolling from the top.
This is the hard part.
Little Bob's. Yes. And then move it.
All done.
How do you feel?
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
Team one. Ready? Go.
Ready.
Minus this.
Let's take it out first. Pretty good. Alright. Who tastes? It goes here.
Nearest you. This is the most, the hardest things in this lesson. So I'll show you how. But please relax. Just one action. Okay? Okay, please do it at your timing.
Okay. Okay, could be worse.
He's very, very careful. Last one. Yes, yes. Transfer the sushi to the plate.
There it is. It's delicious. delicious. Final products. Some pickled ginger. Here comes the first taste.